Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and installing your HP DeskJet 2630 printer software on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP DeskJet 2630 support drivers. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be a support.hp webpage here that says HP DeskJet 2630 all-in-one printer software and drivers. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you want to scroll down and expand the installation software and full/basic driver support and select the HP DeskJet /Ink Advantage 2600 all-in-one printer series print and scan drivers and accessories. Select download. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a verified publisher, should be from HP Inc. once it's done downloading. And you will want to go ahead and run that. And then just proceed with the on-screen directions here by getting your printer and device connected and synced up with one another. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.